Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Lehman from Math with Mrs. Lehman. I just wanted to stop in and say hello to everyone. So I did want to show you a feature that I've added to Google Classroom. So if you go into Google Classroom, I've already got mine brought up here. You'll notice on the top it says New Material Algebraic Expressions Kahoot Challenge. And if you click on that link, it will give you a link to a Kahoot. Now, what is a Kahoot? Well, if you go to the App Store or whatever operating system you're working on, go to where you get apps and you want to download Kahoot. Now in the upper right hand corner of my screen you can see a big K with an exclamation point. That is the app that you could download, and that's pretty cool. So you go to this, and then what happens is you have some different Kahoots in there that you can play. So I've challenged you to one. So the one I've challenged you to, I don't necessarily want to show you right now because I want you guys to go in and do that. So you can use Kahoot to do different challenges that I haven't specifically challenged you to. So for example, if you go down to Discover, where I am right here, you'll see there are lots of different topics here. So you can go to see all, whatever, but if you just scroll over, you're going to see math, right? And I'm your math teacher, so that's why I'm highlighting that. But you can go to math, and then you can try any of those. So how does that work? Well, let me show you. Actually, let's go to one that's... Now let's do math. I was going to say let's do one that's not math, and then whatever, but I'll show you a math one. So go to math, and then all right, so here are a whole bunch of different ones that were made by Kahoot. Okay, so let's pick one that you probably would be able to do on your own. Let's see, multiples of 3 is pretty easy, so let's go ahead and click on that. And then what you're going to do is you are going to go to play. Okay, I don't know what study does. Let's find out. Study. In practice. Okay, whatever. Multiples of 3, you go to play, and then you can go to challenge or host live, but I'm going to go back. You can see that this is played 122,417 times, and it has 16 questions in this little Kahoot, and it has been bookmarked or starred 1,467 times. So, and then it has a description. You're looking for multiples of 3. All right, so here we go. Let's play. Now you can host live, which is what I would do if you guys were sitting in a classroom in front of me, and that's what you would do if you were playing this with your family at home. But if you are on the internet doing digital distance learning, then I'm going to recommend you do challenge. So challenge will give you a chance to create the challenge, and then it's going to give a pin, and then you could like text your friends. On the right it says messages. You can go ahead and text your friends, hey, I've got a Kahoot going, if you want to go in and see if you can beat my score. All right, obviously you've got email, and you can copy and paste it to them, whatever works for you. As a teacher, I'm going to use Google Classroom and Remind. So I'm going to go to done. All right, and I'm going to start playing. So okay, let's go. Question 1, which of the following is multiple? I shouldn't say a multiple of 3. Anyway, so 9 is a multiple of 3. I'm going to click on that. Yay, I'm right. Next. Which number is a multiple of 3? Where's the fun music? I don't know. Got really quiet. Alright, cool. And obviously you get the point. And then your score is shown in the upper right hand corner. All right, so that is how you play Kahoot, and then it will rank you with the other players that you've invited or challenged, how you've all done, and put you in, kind of a ranking order based on your score. So you can continue it later. That's a nice thing about doing this via distance learning. Say, oh, it's time for dinner, I got to stop this for now. You can just come back to it at another time. All right, so anyway, I just wanted to do a quick review of how to play Kahoot online, and feel free to see if you can beat the old and wise Mrs. Lehman's score on Kahoot. You probably can. But anyway, check those out. You can also go to different topics. So if you go to these top picks, I mean, they've got stuff around social distancing and COVID-19. They've got Disney stuff. Let's scroll by that one. All kinds of stuff going on. So you can definitely check out that. I recommend down in the Discover section, doing like some trivia made by teachers maybe, math, science, social studies, all that good stuff. Nat Geo has stuff, so that's short for National Geographic, so that's a reputable source. You want to make sure whoever's Kahoot you're playing is accurate. Now, as a teacher, I've gone in and edited Kahoots that other people have made, and they haven't always been accurate, because you know what, everyone's human and you can make mistakes, and there are people who like to just mess with things on the internet. So whatever the reason, you want to make sure that the source you're using is reputable. But anyway, that's what I wanted to show you today, is how to use Kahoot via my Google Classroom if you're in there, or if you're just watching this because you're not one of my students and you're checking out some things to do while you're home learning, please check out Kahoot. You guys have a great day. I miss you lots. Please be safe. Keep up that social distancing, and I know it's hard for everybody, myself included, but we will get through this. All right? Have a great day, guys. Miss you. Bye.